Hello everyone and welcome to this month's PB promotion. As the change from summer to fall becomes undeniable, we need to reset our routines to better align with the new season. Autumn has officially arrived, so it's time to slow down and reset our inner clocks, which will help us tune in with nature and also find inspiration to check in with our goals. So, let's see how our PB promotions can support you with that this month. At 120 PB, we have Young Living RC Essential Oil Blend. This is a powerful combination of myrtle, lavender, cypress, and some other stunning oils, all listed below. This is our most popular blend for a refreshing breathing experience, where you simply apply it to your chest or your neck before or after a strenuous workout to breathe in its energizing aroma. The aroma will also help you perk up in the early mornings, or you can use it to support moments of calm in a really stressful environment. To help you enjoy the change of this season worry-free, at 190 PB we have Thieves Essential Oil Blend, and it comes in the roll-on format. This signature blend is expertly made with a dash of 5 potent botanicals and herbs, including clove, eucalyptus, lemon, cinnamon, and rosemary. For those of you who might be new to Young Living and haven't heard this story before, you might like to know that this blend was inspired by the legend of 4 15th century French thieves who created and wore a special aromatic blend that they believed provided protection while stealing during the plague. This spicy yet warm blend is perfect for colder months, and you can use it by applying it onto your chest, your pulse points, or you can just run it onto the back of your neck for a warm and spicy personal fragrance. Better still, if you're stuck on a flight with recycled cabin air or you're hosting a play date for your little ones, be sure to use this roll-on and you're good to go. At 250 PB, we have Harmony, another beautiful blend that is an exquisite combination of 17 premium essential oils with an aroma that promotes feelings of confidence, clarity, and harmony. Together, all these 17 oils listed below have made one of the most favorited blends that we have here at Young Living. You can use it to promote a relaxing atmosphere before bedtime, or you can use it topically around your navel. We've heard that men enjoy using this as an aftershave to help support a feeling of harmony too. At 350 PB, we have Golden Turmeric, a delicious mango rose turmeric drink that will support your body in colder days. It uses a unique water-dispersible formula and combines high-quality turmeric and tapioca fiber. It pairs really well with Ningxia Red, black pepper, and cardamom. Not just tasty, it's also incredibly easy to make. I like to use a little blender to make it extra creamy, and it's just perfect in your favorite mug for a nighttime drink to help you unwind at the end of the day. So relax, restore, and recover with our Golden Turmeric. Don't forget about our free shipping at 400 PB. NRG Essential Oil Blend is an amazing oil created with stimulating rosemary, lemongrass, juniper, and warm black pepper, nutmeg, balsam fir, and clove oils. This bright and invigorating blend is perfect for moments when you might feel like you lack a little bit of energy and concentration, and it's yours at 450 PB this month. Simply dilute a few drops of NRG Essential Oil Blend with a carrier oil and place it on your neckline, your pulse points, for an energizing aromatic pick-me-up. It's also a great aid to support you before exercise, or it's an even better companion for traveling. So if you're planning an autumn trip, definitely bring NRG along with you for the ride. Last but not least, at 450 PB, we have our Aroma Globe Ultrasonic Diffuser, sure to become a firm favorite in your Young Living collection. This is a rechargeable ultrasonic aroma diffuser created with your convenience in mind. It offers up to 12 hours of cool aromatic mist when plugged in, or 4 hours without a power source. Thanks to its compact size, you can place it on your desktop, your tea table, your bathroom counter, or anywhere else you wish with ease. The rechargeable battery makes it easy to just move it around, and the LED lighting can operate independently as a soothing, warm white nightlight too. There's no better time now than to invest in a beautiful diffuser for your cozy place in your house for autumn and all the winter days ahead of us. So that is it. I hope you all enjoyed this small intro into some incredible offers this month. Please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more, and I'll see you next month.